Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best snow castle kit is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways for families and friends to spend their winter days, transforming ordinary snow into magnificent, imaginative structures that bring joy and a sense of accomplishment to all involved, fostering creativity and outdoor activity during the colder months. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Shovel Kit. Experience powerful snow removal with its 2-blade auger. It clears a 13-inch wide path, throwing snow up to 20 feet for fast and efficient winter clearing with minimal effort. Enjoy efficient cordless performance powered by a 24V4A battery. It clears up to 300 pounds of snow per minute without gas or oil, perfect for small to medium areas. This snow blower is lightweight at only 17.2 pounds. Its ergonomic dual-handle design makes it easy to maneuver, reducing strain and providing portability. It offers convenient operation with a 400W motor and quick charger. This ensures fast and hassle-free snow clearing on sidewalks, patios, and steps. Built with rugged materials and overload protection, this machine offers reliable performance. It ensures long-term durability even in the harshest winter conditions. What we like? This electric snow shovel offers powerful snow removal with its dual-blade auger, clearing a significant path with each pass. It provides efficient cordless performance, freeing you from gas and oil hassles. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to clear snow from your deck, patio, or driveway, this lightweight and ergonomic option is perfect for you. What people say? It was able to cut through the high snow and even through some of the icy snow. It blew the snow very far away and the battery seemed to last quite a while. I bought this cordless Snow Joe shovel and it completely cleared my entire deck and the snow was from a deep drift easily 12 to 16 inches in spots. Number 4. Max Fun 25 PCS Winter Snowball Toolkit. Get ready for endless winter adventures with this amazing snowball toolkit. It's packed with everything you need for snowtastic fun. This comprehensive set includes a variety of molds for snowmen, castles, animals, and more. You'll also get tools for shaping and throwing perfect snowballs. Making perfect snowballs is a breeze. Just scoop, shape, and throw. It's as easy as making ice cream. Keep your hands warm and clean while you play. Crafted from durable, high-quality plastic, these toys are built for hours of fun. They're safe for kids and adults alike and won't easily break. Let your imagination run wild. Build snowmen, create sandcastles, and engage in epic snowball fights. It's perfect for family fun and outdoor activities year-round. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Give the gift of creative outdoor play and happy memories. What we like? This extensive 25-piece snowball tool kit offers a wide variety of shapes, including snowmen, ducks, and castle molds, ensuring endless creative fun. It allows you to make perfectly round snowballs quickly, keeping your hands warm and clean. If you're looking for a way to entertain kids and adults alike during winter or summer outdoor activities, this kit is a fantastic choice for snowball fights and building sandcastles. What people say? The molds are super cute and easy to use. We made a snow fort out of the bricks and had a blast making hearts to put on top. The product itself is good and my grandson who is 4 loves it. He plays with it in the snow, his sandbox, and the bathtub. This set seems pretty durable so far and the colors are bright and vibrant. The clamping molds were the easiest to use and we had the most luck making perfect designs. Especially mass-produced hearts and soccer balls quickly for snowball fights. Number 3. Snow Fort Building Block 4-Piece Kit. Unleash your creativity with this amazing 4-piece building kit. Perfect for constructing snow forts or sandcastles, it's designed for endless outdoor fun. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this toy is built to last. It has passed safety tests, ensuring peace of mind while your kids play. This set includes a large brick maker, 2 versatile wall molds, and a handy shovel. Everything you need to quickly build impressive structures is right here. Don't let the season stop the fun. Use it to build snow forts in the winter or magnificent sandcastles in the summer. It's perfect for any outdoor adventure. Looking for a gift that sparks imagination? This building kit is ideal for kids, encouraging creativity and family bonding. Create lasting memories together. What we like. This 4-piece snow fort building kit features a large brick maker and wall molds for constructing impressive snow forts or sandcastles. Made from heavy-duty, durable plastic, it's built to last for long-term use. If you enjoy building structures in both snow and sand, and want a reliable tool for creating walls, igloos, or castles, this kit is ideal for year-round outdoor fun. What people say. It's functional and creates the brick molds as you'd expect. The kids love it as they can do more with snow than making snowballs. Number 2. LEGO Disney Frozen Elsa's Magical Ice Palace 43172. Create a sparkling ice palace with a revolving staircase and sliding bridge. You can recreate favorite scenes from the Frozen movies or imagine new adventures. This set comes with Elsa and Anna mini doll figures, plus Olaf, Marshmallow, and 4 Snowgy minifigures. They are ready for fun adventuring possibilities. The palace measures over 12 inches high and 11 inches wide. It offers plenty of space for imaginative play. With 701 pieces, this building toy is perfect for boys and girls aged 6 and up. It's great for fans of Disney Frozen and kids of all ages. This building kit makes a great Christmas present. It can also be combined with other LEGO sets for even more creative play. What we like. This LEGO Disney Frozen set allows you to build Elsa's magical ice palace, complete with popular characters like Elsa, Olaf, and Anna. With 701 pieces, it offers an immersive building experience and the chance to recreate favorite scenes from the Frozen movies. If you're a fan of Disney's Frozen and enjoy detailed LEGO builds, this playset is perfect for imaginative adventures and creative play. What people say. It is a genuine LEGO product, and delivery is fast. The parts were well thought out and look amazing when assembled. The attention to details were amazing. Compared to your typical LEGO set, this one is huge. It is pretty tall and has some nice interactive details. Number 1. Superio Snow Brick Maker Igloo Fort Block Form Set of 3. Looking for a unique gift? This toy is perfect for kids who love playing in the snow or sand, making it a fantastic present for children, friends, and grandkids. Don't let the seasons limit the fun. This versatile toy can be used with both snow and sand, providing endless entertainment and creative opportunities throughout the year. Ignite your child's imagination with these easy-to-use block makers. They can build anything from snow forts and igloos to sand castles and unique structures, fostering hours of outdoor play. Create perfectly sized bricks every time with this tool. Its convenient handles make it easy to shape consistent, rectangular blocks, perfect for any building project. Crafted from sturdy, non-toxic materials, this toy ensures your child's safety during playtime. It's tested and certified for peace of mind. What we like. This set of 3 snow brick makers easily creates real-sized bricks, perfect for building snow forts, igloos, or sandcastles. Designed for quick and easy maneuverability with handles, they ensure consistent block creation. If you're looking for a durable and safe way to encourage imaginative outdoor play year-round, these brick makers are an excellent choice for creating large-scale structures. What people say. These work really well in both snow and sand. They're a good size, not huge, but not tiny. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.